Send Abu Azmi to UP, we shall treat him. Yogi Adityanath slams SP leader over Aurangzeb comments. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has slammed on Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi's controversial statement in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. The Uttar Pradesh Assembly on Wednesday was on the boil over the Aurangzeb statement by Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi in Maharashtra. On the last day of the budget session of the UP legislature, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath stoked a fresh row with his comments on Abu Azmi with regards to his remarks in the Legislative Council. The Chief Minister said that the Samajwadi Party considers Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb as its idol. Aurangzeb's father Shah Jahan writes in his biography that God forbid that such a son should never be born. Aurangzeb imprisoned his father in Agra fort, threw him out of the party, Yogi Adityanath said. Yogi Adityanath said Abu Azmi should be sent to UP for treatment. Send him to UP. We shall ensure that his treatment is done nicely here. Should he have the right to live in India? Why is the Samajwadi Party not expelling Abu Azmi? Yogi asked. The CM said that Samajwadi Party should remember socialist leader Ram Manohar Lohia, who said India has three pillars of unity: Lord Ram, Lord Shiva and Lord Krishna. Samajwadi Party leader Abu Azmi has praised Mughal ruler Aurangzeb on Monday. Abu Azmi said Aurangzeb got several temples built. In Varanasi, he saved a Hindu girl child from a priest who had an evil eye on her. He said the priest trampled by elephants. He also claimed that under Aurangzeb's rules, the empire's territorial boundaries extended up to Afghanistan, adding, "Today he is being vilified by invoking Hindu-Muslims divisions. Wrong things are being said about Aurangzeb." Azmi was suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly on Wednesday for his comments.
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। जो व्यक्ति छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की परंपरा पर गौरव की अनुभूति करने की बजाय लज्जा महसूस कर रहा हो और औरंगजेब को अपना नायक मान रहा हो, क्या उसको भारत के अंदर रहने का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या? और समाजवादी पार्टी को इसका जवाब देना चाहिए। एक तरफ आप कुंभ को कोसते रहे और दूसरी तरफ औरंगजेब जैसे दुष्ट और क्रूर धर्मान मंदिरों को तोड़ने वाले व्यक्ति को, भारत की आस्था को निर्ममता के साथ रौंदने का कार्य करने वाले व्यक्ति को महिमा मंडन करते हो। आखिर कौन सी नस ऐसी आपकी दबी हुई है कि आप लोग अपने उस व्यक्ति पर, उस विधायक पर नियंत्रण नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? और इसीलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि खंडन क्यों नहीं समाजवादी पार्टी खंडन करे इसका।